Hello friends and welcome. It's Sarah Liz and I am excited to show you all of the club kits for October. The large day of the month is supposed to make a Christmas shop, but I will have a video on Friday turning it into a spring house card with some different florals. The small day of the month is this short, chubby Santa, and I cannot get over him. I love him so much. This is the 3D embossing folder. The card on the right is mine. I'll have a video out later this month for that one. And then look at that 2D embossing folder. It is absolutely stunning, and I love it with these penguins. It's the clear stamp and die of the month. One of my favorite things about a penguin stamp set is that there's very little coloring required for a quick and easy card. Here's the glimmer of the month, which is absolutely simple and stunning. And then we have our stitching die of the month. Again, I don't stitch, but I kind of want this one, you guys. And then you can get a huge bargain if you bundle things together. The Die Hard Club is always my favorite, or the total package for $100, and it will get you everything we saw before, plus the quick and easy card kit. It does not include the BetterPress Club or the Wax Seal Club, though I'm hoping they'll restructure that in the new year. Let's take a look at this quick and easy card kit. So the kit for October is called Feelin' Festive, and I've just taken it out of the bag. This time we have a side zipper on the bag, and I will say that was magical. I was able to take it out very easily. It always comes with one of these sheets that shows you kind of what you're getting in the kit, a couple sample cards, and then on the back, they'll walk you through making a card just to get you started. I find that super helpful. The kit always has 8 A2 card bases and then envelopes that go with it, and then some adhesive. So I have a roll of double-sided tape and then some foam squares as well. And then here is our solid colored cardstock. And we have some very festive colors. So this is like a true Christmas red, but then that's a softer green. And I love non-traditional Christmas colors. And so like that red and pale blue are favorites of mine, or like some pink in there. And then we have some white. So there are 4 of each of these, and they are A2 in size. And then here's our pattern paper, and I can already tell that cardstock matches really well with the pattern paper. So this is 6x6 paper, and it's a layering weight. Like, it's not a super thick cardstock, but I think that's great for holiday cards. And then it's just easier to kind of layer one pattern on top of the other, and they're all easy mailers, and I appreciate that so much. Looks like we have a really great mix this time of like some subtle patterns. There's just a little bit of like a polka dot in the back, so that it's easy to pair them together. I love those trees, you guys. Oh, those are super cute. Some polka dots. I love that. That's right up my favorite color alley. And then little bows. Here's some gold foil detail on that one. Some stars, a little peppermint stripe. More star. Oh, we got like a star theme. This is almost like little star bulbs on a strand of lights. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen. Then we've got little elves and stockings. That is beautiful too. Oh, y'all, I'm loving this one. And I like these kits for like making holiday cards with my kids as well. Last I checked, they still had some of last year's holiday kits available, the bigger kits, but they were on super sale. If they're still there, I'll link those below along with this kit, because they're perfect for quick and easy holiday cards. I missed one? I think I missed one. Nope. Okay. These are new. These look like little acetate pieces. Oh, come out, but don't get stuck. Oh, I love these. I love these so much. So that's see-through, right? Make it magical, make it memorable. And then we just have a bunch of really cute pieces that I think will be a lot of fun. You can like punch a little hole in it and make it sort of a swinging element. right? I could stick some like foam tape carefully, very carefully behind there. A little Santa and a wreath. That candy cane is beautiful. That's so cute. We have some holly, a couple of snowflakes. I'm a sucker for a strand of lights, all of them. The most magical time of the year, merry and bright. And then you light up every Christmas with your smile. So that is an element I haven't seen in the kits before. Then we have some puffy stickers. Oh, chipboard stickers here. And there's 2 sheets in here. And again, I really love the colors. We have Merry Magical Holiday, Christmas Cheer, December is here, and a bunch of little cute elements. I love the little pieces that you can kind of stick in the background. They've got some gold foil. I love this elf with the presents. Bright, fa la la, oh what fun, 25. Good stuff. And then these are puffy stickers, and we have a ton of sentiments on here. Okay, Christmas fun, merry, jingle all the way, season's greetings, feeling festive. I will link to the kit below if you want a closer look at like all the sentiments, because I'm not going to read all of them. Naughty or nice, that I have people who need that card. But that way you can click on the link. It will take you to Spellbinders, and you can like zoom in on the images that have all of the sentiments and things like that. This is going to be super, super easy to create with. I tend to use emergency sentiments, but I don't think you would need to with this one. Well, I might do like half and half. And then this, there's so much in here. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. And the little candy canes. Oh, I love that so much. Yep. I don't know what all we're going to do with that, but we're going to do maybe a couple things. There's enough for like 3 shakers, like full panel shakers in there. Oh, I'm losing stuff already. Hang on. Okay. These are always jam-packed, and I love, we have more of these little like candy swirls, tons of them. They're everywhere in here. And then you typically get 2 of each piece. Okay, so if you like to make cards and multiples, you can do some of that. And these are really classic, like winter holiday images. And I am thrilled. I love that one. We have a little like mantle situation going on. Look at that. I'm a sucker for a stamp. And it's so, oh, yes. We have some like holiday florals, a cute little reindeer, these elves that are clearly up to mischief, some stockings, some larger pieces. I like the hearts in here. I don't usually think of like hearts for Christmas, but that'll be fun to layer with. Some more presents. Yes, that's easy. Okay, figgy pudding. Can we talk about the dance and figgy pudding for a hot second? I will try to link that video at the end of this one, but they have one of their dance and die sets. It's a figgy pudding, and I had to make a whole bunch of extra puns to go with it. So I have a video with a free printable. So like even if you wanted those sentiments for this figgy pudding instead of getting the die set, worth it. Totally worth it. And then these are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. Love it. I am not going to dig through everything in here. I'm going to pick up a few more and kind of show you what's going on. But this is a massive pile of die cuts to choose from. And again, I'll link to the kit at Spellbinders, and you can kind of zoom in on all the different pieces. But I feel like there's tons of gold foil detailing this time. And there's a great mix of like some bigger pieces. Look at that. Look at the size of that. Okay, that's as big as my hand. For quick and easy cards. Down below, there's some more of those really large pieces. I kind of want a second one of these kits. I think my kids and I could have a lot of fun, / I could just have a lot of fun. So, oh, this is wonderful. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope this is helpful. Certainly check the links below. They're affiliate links. If you use my links, I get a small commission from Spellbinders. But I only show you products that I really love. Otherwise, I wouldn't make a video about it. So I appreciate you spending this time with me, and I will see you next time.